Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Naira Sheikh, your English 1 teacher, has come up with a new question and answer session video. So, without wasting any time, let's start. First, students, we'll begin with the name of our chapter. Our today's chapter's name is Aesop's Fables. The new words. The first word is fables. F-A-B-L-E-S. Second word, character. C-H-A-R-A-C-T-E-R. The third word, country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Fourth word, generation. G-E-N-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Fifth word, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Sixth word, reflection. R-E-F-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Seventh word, delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. Eighth word, curving. C-U-R-V-I-N-G. Ninth word, antlers. A-N-T-L-E-R-S. And the 10th word is graceful. G-R-A-C-E-F-U-L. We move ahead towards our meanings now, students. The first meaning is stag. S-T-A-G, stag, and the meaning of is a male deer. The second meaning, spindly, meaning very long and thin. Stately, it means grand. Brooding. Brooding means thinking sadly for a long time. Fifth one is hot on his trail, which means very close to him, about to catch him. Sixth one, thicket, which means when many trees, bushes, etc. grow close together, they form a thicket. Seventh one, manger, M-A-N-G-E-R. It means long open box in a cattle shed. Cattle eat hay kept for them in the manger. The eighth one is hay, cut and dried grass used as food for animals. The ninth one is stall. It means part of a cattle shed or stable. Generally, each animal has one stall for itself. And the last meaning is begrudge. Begrudge means being unwilling to give. Be unhappy that someone is getting something. We now move ahead to our next question, and that's answer the following questions. The first one, students, what is a fable? Answer, a fable is a short story with a moral or a message and has animal characters in it. Second one, name the person who first told fables. Answer, fables were first told by a wise person called Aesop. Third one, students, what did the stag like about himself and why? Answer, the stag liked his antlers as they were graceful and made him look handsome. Fourth one, what was the stag unhappy with and why? Answer, the stag was unhappy with his legs as they were spindly and ugly. Fifth one, what does the dog do when the ox went near the manger? Answer, the dog snarled, barked and snapped at the ox when the ox went near the manger. Sixth one, write the message of each of the stories. Answer, first one, the stag at the pool, the first part of the chapter, the first story. What is the moral we learn from the students? The moral is that we dislike the very things that are most useful to us. And the second story, the dog in the manger. What did we learn from this? Correct. We learned that we should not begrudge others for what we don't enjoy ourselves. We move ahead towards our next question. Question number 3. Find the smaller words hidden in the following words. Word formation. The first word, delighted. Delight and light. Second one, reflection. Reflect in, on, 10, line. Graceful. Grace, race, pace, R. Fourth one, hunter. Hunt, hut. Run, rent, hen. The sixth one, growth. Grow, row, throw, and how. The sixth one, dislike. Kids, like, silk, and is. Afternoon. After, known, know, and for. The next question, synonyms. The first one, delighted. What does delighted mean? Correct. Delighted means greatly pleased. The second word is beautiful. Beautiful means attractive. The third one, disgusted. Disgusted means irritated. And the fourth one is bounded. Bounded means to bend down. The fifth question, students. Write the opposites of. The first word, comfortable. Opposite of comfortable is? Correct. Uncomfortable. The second opposite is patient. And what's the opposite for the second word? Impatient. The next question, complete the sentences by using the correct phrase from the brackets. Finally, the ox got upset means, now you have to search what is the meaning of these particular words. Like finally, the ox got upset. What does that mean? Did the ox get upset in the end? Or was the ox upset in the beginning itself? So the answer is the ox got upset in the end. The alternatives were given to you and you have to choose from them. The second one, after a while, the ox returned means what? After some time or after a very long time? Correct. After some time, the ox returned. I hope students you understood all the question and answers that I just mentioned to you. For further notifications, kindly subscribe towards our channel and please like our channel too. Thank you and have a nice day.